Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over Shopify pages step by step, giving you a full explanation of each part of the page creation process so you can then feel comfortable on creating any pages that you need for your very own Shopify store. Before I dive into it, I want to mention our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your business with real-time calculations here. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking to see, and it's going to automatically calculate your profit for you, giving you a ton of detailed metrics so you can understand the true performance and the true profit of your business. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, and I'm also going to show a quick video detailing all their features.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's first dive into the pages section, how you can create one, and the options for each. So from your Shopify homepage here, this is from the home section, all you have to do is head down to Online Store. First, you want to click Online Store, and that's going to expand several different options here. And what we're interested in for this video is the Pages section. Once you click on that here, you're going to get a list of your existing pages. You can also search for pages. You can change the visibility to look for hidden or visible ones. You can also sort by oldest as well as alphabetically. Now, if you want to add a new page, all you have to do is hit this green button here, and that's what I'm going to do for the purposes of this video. So I'm going to click Add Page. So once that shows up, you're going to get two columns. You're going to have a main column on the left-hand side with a right-hand column showing further details. So this main section here is going to be your title. So it's going to be the title of the page, be contact us, sizing charts, FAQs, whatever you want to name it here. And then you get your main content section. If you're familiar with uploading products on Shopify, this is going to look very similar here as you get your main section where you can input content or text, then you get different formatting options on top. So here, the formatting options include things such as heading size, bolding, italicizing, underlining. You also get different bulleted lists, as well as the options to insert tables, photos, or videos. If you know HTML, you can copy and paste that in here as well. Moving over to the right-hand side here, you have your visibility. You can set the page to hidden so users or customers can't discover it, or you can leave it as visible. You also have the option of setting the visibility date. So if you want to schedule a blog post or something along those lines, although actually you wouldn't schedule a blog post because there's a separate section, but if you wanted to schedule a page to release at a certain time, you can simply set the visibility date and select the date and the time you want there. If you don't want this, you can just press clear date again. This last section is going to be the theme template. So depending on your Shopify theme, there might be different theme templates here. By default, with most Shopify themes, the contact page is going to be a template option. Now though, I'll leave this as the default page section. If we move on to the bottom section here, once this is filled out, it's going to make a little more sense, but it's going to be the search engine listing preview. You can customize how this result or this page will show up in a search engine such as Google. So that's an overview of pages here. For this video, I'm going to create an About Us page. So I created a basic description here. So I just copy and pasted this here, and I'm going to do some basic formatting. So I'm going to make some paragraphs here separating some of these options. I'll maybe throw a photo at the top here so I can go to the insert image section. I'm just going to use one of these images I uploaded further. You also get the option to upload a alt text. So this will help images be more accessible to everyone, including people with visual impairments, as it will show this alt text describing what it is. Google also likes this as it gives them an idea of what this photo is about. Put beach, surfing, and I'm just going to insert that image there. Now, if I want to center this image, I can simply click on it, go to the alignment section and hit center align. So that's going to be the basic About Us page here. And I'm going to click save. And just like that, it is saved and uploaded. And all you have to do to preview the page is go here in the top right, hit preview page, and it's going to open up the URL to my store, giving you a description of the About Us page and what it's going to look like as a final product. So the last thing for pages, if you want to add this to the navigation of your Shopify store, you want to head to navigation on the left here. I want to add this to the main menu. So I'm going to click on main menu under the top section here. Then I want to go to add menu item. I'm going to title this About Us because that is the page here. And I'm going to search for the About Us page I just created. If I click on Pages, About Us, that is my About Us page. And all I have to do is click Add. Then I have to click Save menu on the top. There's also going to be a save button at the bottom. And if I reload the Shopify store preview, I can see the About Us link in the top. This is going to conclude the video here on Pages step-by-step tutorial. I hope you have a solid understanding at this point on how you can add, edit any Shopify page which you desire. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc again, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store, allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.